KPI visuals. KPI visual mean basically key performance indicator visuals, shows a metric, target and trend indicator. So next thing is that when to use it. For monitoring performance against goal with visual like colors and trends. And under what scenarios, tracking sale target with variance or project completion rates. So if you want to see that, if you make an plan that you will be completing a certain project in a 2 year or 3 year. So if you want to see that how much performance is going on, how much percentage of the total work has been done, then in that case KPI give you the best results. So for the labeling, on indicator you have to show the current value, in trend time baseline and goal target value. Axes are not given in KPI, and direction high low is good. So now let's see how a KPI looks like. So now here you can see that we have a KPI over here, and you can see that we have label here it by sales by month, and for x-axis we have taken month, and for y-axis we have taken sale. This is line chart, and we have for axis month, and for values we have taken the value of sale. So it is showing our KPI visuals of sales, and it is one of our most important indicator. Okay, so we label our sales. You can also label a KPI of revenue, profit, and cost, and total quantity sold as well.